Day 3 of the van conversion, and look what we've got today. A bit of blue skies and sunshine. Beautiful stuff. So today what the plan is we're going to finish insulating the sides, put all the insulation in, and then obviously, as you've seen, we've got the panels, so we can maybe cut to the templates for the sides and do a template for the floor as well, because obviously there were no flooring in. So yeah, let's see how we get on. So that's the van about insulated. So we're going to fill the templates with the insulation. So what I've done is I thought that this stuff that my mate got me were a lot better. So what I'm going to do is I've ordered another roll of that and going to cut the templates and stick them on. So what I'm going to do is, as I've already put some insulation on, I'm probably going to rip this stuff off. I mean, these I can just cover over with the new stuff, but yeah, I'm going to rip this one off and put the new stuff on. As you've just seen, I've used the template for the door panel, but I've cut it upside down. So when you put it on like that, it's the wrong way. Let's try again, shall we? door's done. Looks pretty neat. now we move on to the big panels. So what I've done with, because obviously if you look at this right side panel, it is too big for the insulation roll. So what we've done is we've marked around it and then just put a little mark, so then we know for the next cut that we have to do, all we've got to do is just do this little bottom section. So yeah, come on. Side panels done. So all we've got left now is obviously the top bits here, the middle beam, these top bits, and the wheel arches, and obviously the floor. What I'm going to have to do is cut out a cardboard template for the floor, as we're not flooring in. And our little helper's back for the day. There she is, Neither. Right, well, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get this light off. I don't know if it clips off, so I'm going to leave that bit, but it's looking good. So that is the van just about insulated. It's took me absolutely ages to insulate this, but we're about there. Yeah, it's coming along. So all we've got to do now is the fun bit is make a template for the floor, which I'm not looking forward to at all. I've never done anything like this, but first, right, bit of a change of plan. I'm going to insulate the floor first and then do the template. I mean, it doesn't really make a difference which way you do it, but so what I've done is just lay the insulation across. I'm going to mark it, cut it, and then obviously go around the wheel arches, all the little grooves. So yeah, hopefully it goes to plan. that is the floor insulated. Obviously we'll put some tape, but yeah, van's fully insulated. Done a good job there. So now we'll move on to the cardboard template for the floor, and then tomorrow we'll probably cut the panels from the templates, and yeah, go from there. Well, that is the cardboard template done. It took me a lot longer than I thought, to be honest, but we've managed to get there. Yeah, so at least now we can cut our floor panel without an issue with this template. So what the plan is now, we're going to stick some of these battens on, which are just going to be using Gorilla. Yeah, stick these on and then let them set overnight, so then we've got something to screw into for tomorrow. I think it's about 2 meters long, so yeah. That's done for the evening. Yeah, we've got the battens down, everything's insulated now. Yeah, so tomorrow, once the battens have dried, we can cut the panels, cut the floor in with the template that we've done. So yeah, I may have got a bit of glue on the sides, but hey ho.